So we're on week 1. We just installed the one side of the base, shower base, and we have installed the walls too, all the way to 8 foot, and we have left space for the bench. That will be done next week, and this is how we are turning that wall. It will be to hold the glass door. Then on the right side we have the threshold, and then we're gonna have another wall built on this side where the plumbing is, and then next week we'll fix that wall, make it look better. On this side we remove the one wall, and now it's just going to be an open space where this wall now this door is going to be able to open the door like that, and we're going to redo around the top. We're working on it.